So it's been 10 weeks since my hip replacement, and now I feel like I'm walking normally. So I'm doing 30-minute walks every other day, and that's takes me about 2.5 kilometres I'll cover in that time. So, and it's only been in the last couple of weeks that I've started to drive, but I just want to show you how you have to get into the car when you've had a hip replacement. So you've got to take the seat all the way back and then use the handle up here to pull yourself in. So because it was my right leg that got operated on, I sort of tended to make it straight. Using my arm, I'll sit down my bottom and then I'll bring my other leg in. And then even to reach for the door, I'll keep holding this arm, and then getting out isn't so bad because I can put my good leg out, but again I still hold on the top and then just sort of straighten, and I could bend my leg to get out. So driving is more difficult because we're in a right-hand drive car. It's my right leg that needs to do the acceleration and brake, but I do have a automatic. So I tend to find that I've got to put my seat back a little further from where I normally have it. So I'll try there. Getting in is easier because the good leg goes in first, and then I can just bring that up. So I tend to keep the leg at a slightly longer outstretched rather than having it more cramped, which is how I did used to drive before the operation. So it's just remembering again when I get out, you've got to bend the knee a little, but sort of swivel in the chair to get out, and then you can get out with two legs at once.